Hey guys, I am Jennifer, and I'm glad to see you again. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel to encourage me. Today we're going to talk about a wonderful subject. Ready? Let's go. Ever wondered how a fighter jet's head-up display works? Well, you're in the right place. The head-up display, or HUD for short, is a complex piece of technology that provides vital information right before a pilot's eyes. Unraveling its workings may seem like cracking a code, but don't worry, we're here to break it down. From flight data to navigation aids, we'll decode it all in terms anyone can understand. So, buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of fighter jet head-up displays. First, it's crucial to understand what a head-up display is and why it's so vital in a fighter jet. It's a transparent display that presents data without requiring pilots to shift their gaze from their usual viewpoints. The head-up display plays a pivotal role by allowing pilots to keep their eyes heads up and focused on their flight path. Simultaneously, it feeds them crucial information such as altitude, speed, and direction. Remember, information is king in the cockpit, and that's precisely what the head-up display provides. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of how this ingenious piece of technology works. At its core, a head-up display uses a system of mirrors and a special combiner glass. The mirrors reflect light onto the glass, which then projects vital flight information directly into the pilot's line of sight. This allows the pilot to remain focused on their surroundings while also keeping an eye on important data. It's a complex process, but the result is a seamless blend of data and reality. To put it all together, a head-up display is a game changer in the world of aviation. This ingenious technology allows pilots to keep their eyes on the sky while receiving crucial flight information. By projecting data onto a transparent screen, pilots get real-time updates without having to glance down. It's a perfect blend of safety and efficiency, vital for the split-second decisions in aerial combat. So, the next time you see a fighter jet soaring in the sky, remember the incredible technology that's keeping the pilot informed and in control. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell. If you found this useful, kindly subscribe to our channel to encourage me. For any other subject you want to see, just put your inquiry in the comment and we will be back to you sooner.